Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in, appreciate it. My name is Clint. I'm Mystic Valley Designs. I airbrush custom model horses. Today we've got a box coming in. It was delivered yesterday in the mail. So this will be an unboxing video just to make sure there's no damage to it. The very first thing I do when I get a box, I start off with a production control sheet. There's going to be several models in this box, and I don't know how many. So there's at least two in here, I believe. For two different people. One of them is a client named Christy. She's out in Connecticut. Not sure about the other one. Might be a woman named Beth from Ohio, but I'm not sure on that. Anyway, I start out with a production control sheet and then something I call a master batch sheet. It just sort of ties everything together. And this is just how I operate my shop. So anyway, on the very first thing we do, when I get a box, I just simply spin it around and I'm looking for two things. I'm looking for puncture wounds and crushes. And I see none of that on this box. So I can almost guarantee you everything is inside here. Oh, it doesn't rattle either. So nothing broken in there, it sounds like. So let's unwrap this and catalog everything, categorize it, and make sure nothing's broken. Now, this came from Connecticut, and it took, I kid you not, it took 2 months to get here. I don't know where it's been. I don't know, slow boat to China or something, I don't know. But, wow, it took forever to get here. So anyway, lots of wrapping. Box includes, so 1, 2, 3, I got at least 3 models with 3 different people in here. So we'll put that off to the side. First one, we'll open this up. Wrapped in brown paper. Okay. Might be a factory horse in here, I don't know. No, it's not a factory horse, but it's a very nice one. Got some ear damage here, tail rub here. Squeeze the legs just a tiny bit, squeeze the neck a little bit, squeeze the tail just a little bit. What I'm looking for is fractures, breaks, cracks, things like that. I'm looking for the big obvious signs. You know, is there a missing ear? Is the leg broken? Stuff like that. And I see none of that on this one. So off to the side. Done with all that. Oh, holy cow, we got a bunch of them in here. Let's see, what do we got here? Wow, this is cute. I like this. Nice padding there over the head. Unicorn thing. Nice eyeball painted onto it. I like that. Anyway, tail, legs, head, unicorn horn thingy. Nothing broken. So that's good. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this yet. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with any of these yet. So we'll get in touch with the clients. And this is some of the instructions, I'm sure. But on to number 3 here. So anyway, in northern Indiana here where I'm at, today is Saturday, March 15, 2025. I have a hideous cold. It's not COVID at least. I know that. But stuffy, earache, lots of drugs, sleeping, 22 hours a day. And just not real pleasant. And for once, it's a nice sunny day outside. So yeah, I've dealt with Hoosier winters my whole life. I hate them. They're cold, gray, wet, and miserable. And a nice sunny day, and of course I have a cold. Go figure. So let's unwrap this fellow. Nice mold. Legs are good. Head, nothing broken. Little rub on the ear there. Tail, no breaks in the tail. Got a rub on the inside of the front left knee there. Not sure what's going on there. It actually feels sticky. That's kind of odd. But anyway, nothing broken. So good model. Put that off to the side. We're packing yet another one here. The dogs are going at it. when I'm unwrapping these things, I got to pay attention. You know, are there stands that come with these horses? Any tack that would go with the horses, like saddle or anything like that? I don't know. So I got to pay attention to what's going on inside my box as well as the model itself. So here we've got a Peterstone stallion. Legs are good, nothing there. Head and neck is on good. I don't see any rubs on the ears. This is nice. Tail is a two-piece attachment there. Now I do see, I don't know what we got going on under there. Where the tail wraps around there, there's actually no paint on the hip at all. So might need to be fixing that. I don't know. We'll read the instructions later. Nice veining on the model. Got frogs carved into the hooves. That's nice. Peterstone does good work. I appreciate his work, Peter and Elaine. Although I think they sold the business to another party in 2024, maybe. I don't know. I don't pay attention to the politics of who owns who, where, when, and stuff like that of the model horse industry. I suppose I should, but I don't. I just paint horses. That's keeps my life a little bit more simple that way. So what do we got now? 2, 4. This is number 5 coming out of here. Get rid of that. So what do we got in here? Brown wrapping paper. Nicely painted model. Oh my God, it's one of mine. Get a load of this. This is funny. Clint Voris, 2002. God, I painted this a quarter of a century ago. Wow. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Anyway, got a few rubs here on the hip. 2 legs, 2 more legs, tail. Got some rubs on the top of the ear there. More rubs over here, which is not uncommon on a 25-year-old custom. But anyway, this is nice to see. So Huckleberry Bay, a Breyer model, one of my favorites. I think this is one of the prettiest factory models Breyer's done. I painted millions of these. I love them. And anyway, so let's see what else we got in here. More wrapping, more wrapping, more wrapping, and 1 packing peanut. Yay. So anyway, okay, sure, okay. This used to belong to one of my clients. She has since passed away. Her name was Karen. Good friends with my wife, and painted a lot of models for that woman. So anyway, empty box. So I've got 5 good models. So now I start in with the production control sheet. I label each one, take a picture of it, assign it a number, and this sheet stays with that model until I ship it out the door. Next week, next month, next year, whenever it gets done. So anyway, folks, I got 5 good models to work on. None of them were broken, thank goodness. I got a few rubs here and there, and that's probably why they came to my shop. We'll find out what's going on. Anyway, folks, my name is Clint. I'm Mystic Valley Design. I got 2 stupid dogs down here gurring each other. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and peace out. Take care. Bye now. Come here, Ozzy. Ozzy, jump, 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 jump. Yay, yay, Ozzy. Here's Ozzy. Come here, Ozzy. Good boy. Good boy, Ozzy. Good boy. Yeah. Okay, go on, get. Go on, get. Bye, everybody.